Audible, right? Okay, so let's move on. See, quickly I'll revise what we did last class. Okay, then we can move to the. See, actually, yesterday our agenda will be like this. See, I have given an information on the tools actually to extra sim. Means first of all, digital simulation tool which I needed. Okay, so I have started giving an information on that. If you remember, first I have discussed different company tool name. Do you remember what are the things which we have discussed? See here, I'll go through it. See, Cadence, Mentor Graphics, Synopsys, and Aldex. Okay, they are the four companies you have. Okay, which we can use. Then the tool names are Sim Vision or Xcelium, Questasim or Model Sim, VCS Verdi, Rivera. They are the company names and tool names which we have discussed. Then, if you remember, second thing I have explained was online and offline tools. Correct. You can get a tool online also, offline also. If you remember, online I have explained for as EDA playground. Correct. EDA playground, you will get all the four tools. Correct. All the four company tools you'll get it on EDA playground. Second, if you remember offline tool, offline. I know. I know. See, Vivado is not required at all here. Okay. They are digital simulation tools which we are studying. Okay. It means whichever way we will use it for our verification. Okay. Okay. Whichever the standards are there, that is what I have called. Then offline tools. Offline tool, whatever we are using is Questasim. You can go for Cadence also, Mentor Graphics or Synopsys also. It's all up to you. Okay. But right now we are going for an offline is what? Questasim. Then in the Questasim also, I have explained three things to you. Let us understand one by one. So here, how to run in a EDA playground, I have explained. Correct. So if it is a Verilog, system Verilog, UVM, what are the things you need to select? Tools and simulation, what is the tool you need to select? You can select any one of the four tools. Okay. Then EP wave will be there. There is a EP wave. If you enable then only you will get a waveform. And for that extra coding needed and run button. If you do that, then EDA playground will run for you. The next thing was Questasim, which is a offline tool. Okay. Okay. So how to run it? I have explained. Okay. What is the procedure? Create one folder, create a file, and rename as per your project, and extension will be following. For Verilog.v, for HistoVerilog.sv, for UVM.sv. Okay. Or you can use .svh also, which is a main file we call it. Example, file name datatype.sv. Okay. Any name you can give. Okay. And .sv. See, create a folder, create a file. Okay, after that, what happened? Install GVM or Notepad++. Okay, normally these are the tools which we use to edit the codes. Okay, after installation, right click on the file property and change GVM. Okay, because what happened? We want permanently whenever you double click on that file, you need to open that file in what? GVM mode only. So that is the reason we have done this. Okay. Next, if you remember, we have gone to the Questasim. Okay, in the Questasim, as I said, there are three ways to run the tool. One is a GOM method, one is a run.do method, one is a Ubuntu or Linux method. Okay, these are the three ways we will be having. Okay, so if you remember, yesterday I have covered GUI method. Okay, open the Questasim, go for Jumpstart, create a project. Okay, for project you give a one file name or project name and folder name. Okay, next add existing file you need to do. Add existing file when you do it. Okay, you can able to add the file name. Okay, then close it. Compile again. Go to project window. Right click, compile, compile selected. Okay, if your code is error free, that is a green in color, then only you can able to move for next step. This step works only if third step is successful. Correct. This is what we call a simulation. Then go to library window. Here this is a project window. It's a library window. Work. Select the module. Right click and then go for simulating. Then add the signal to waveform. Go to sim window. There is one more called a sim window. Select a model name. Right click. Add wave. If you do that, then it wave signals will get added. Then run the code. Go to transcript window. Run mining on. This is the procedure you are supposed to do it. Okay. So I'll quickly again once again I'll do it. Okay. Questasim. Then if you remember, jumpstart, create a project. Yesterday I have created a project. So I'll go for now. Open a project. Okay. Correct. Now you need to stand here on project window. Go and go for compile selected or compile all. Anything you can go for. So green in color. Then you need to go for library. That is a work. And whatever the name was been given. Okay. That name you need to select here. Simulate. See, keep in mind, whatever you do, know everything it will come on transcript window. See, whatever you are doing, everything output will be come here. Okay, whatever you are doing, compile you did. You are checking in where transcript window. Once you do the simulation, it will again come the 1 minute. It will come in the transcript window. Transcript window is like a log file for you. Okay, whatever the command will give, everything will come and show here. What is the command you have used? See, this is the compilation command. Double click here, you'll get a command is being used. What is the command? This is the command. Next, for simulation, what is the command? This is the command. Okay. Next, go to sim. Again, it will throw one command to you, add wave. See, transcript. For add wave, you are getting one command here. Then run mining all. Run mining all if you do. This is the fourth command. That's it. See, first command is here. Double click here. This is the vlog is your first command. Second is here. Third is here. And fourth is here. Correct. Now, what you need to do in the second method? Put all the four command in one file and call that file like what? Run.do. Okay. If you do that four command, then you don't have to do individually. You just can run only one command called do run.do. Correct? All the four commands I have kept in one file and I am calling by the name called do run.do. Done. So you can see here entire code I will run. Okay. See here waveforms. This is called waveform window. Okay. And one more thing I'll show you. Whatever the circuit will be there, no, that we need to call schematic window. See here schematic. This is called schematic window. See nothing. What you need to do? Go to view. There is schematic. Can you see here? Click on this. Then it will open. Okay, schematic window, that is what we call a schematic window. Clear? Okay, so anyway, again all I need to explain one by one. So GUI method I have explained all that four steps. You if you copy in one file, that we call a what, run dot do method, correct? Now the same thing I need to do in a shell script. Okay, so for Linux or shell script, here Ubuntu will be there. See what happened, you need to go to Microsoft Store. From the beginning I'm telling you, Microsoft Store you need to go. For the Linux, the people who are planning that I need to work on a Linux, these are the steps you are supposed to follow. Okay, Microsoft Store. Okay, so minimum version is Windows 10 is needed. Okay, okay, or Microsoft Store. Okay, wait. You check in your laptop. Do you have Microsoft Store? Go to Microsoft Store. Okay, then Ubuntu, and then get. You'll get it like this. I'll show you one. See, Microsoft Store. It is open, right? I'll tell Ubuntu. Whichever the latest versions are there, you go for that. It is telling free, right? Go for this, and you'll get a option called get. Press the get button. Here, is it simple to install? Once again, let me tell you what you need to do first. Microsoft Store. Just type store here. For, once again, I'll show store. Correct. Microsoft Store. Here, search button will be there. Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Next, in the Ubuntu, see, I have installed, so I'm getting one I installed version. Okay. For you, you can go for and press button like what? Get. Click on this. Which version I need to download? Whichever the higher versions are there, obviously go for that only. Okay. And then get here. Here you will get an option called get. 1 minute. I think it is low. Here you will get a get button. Press that get. Okay. That is how your Ubuntu will be get installed. This is one way. Okay. So installation of Linux. Okay. So there is one way, or second way is MOBA extra. You can go for one more here. Go to Chrome, MOBA extra, MOBA extra download for Windows. Can you hear MOBA extra? Okay, parallelly you can go for that also. So Google, then MOBA extra for Windows. Okay, see, I'll go for here. Anything you can go for. Okay, so anyway, whichever the highest installer was, anything you go for this also, nothing problem. You can install, or you can ask any of our person to install that. Okay, So in mobile extension for Windows, download, then go for installation. Normal installation, nothing is there. Okay, nothing to learn, like a new. Go for a normal installation. Is it clear how to install the Linux or Ubuntu machine in your system? Okay. See, if you do this way, what happen? Whatever in the Windows, if you write a code that I can utilize for Linux. Okay, if you remember, in a people have Linux has separate this one. Okay, in the, here what happen in Windows terminal only, how you will open Microsoft Word, right? Okay, see Microsoft Word, when you click, what happen? It will open a separate application, correct? Similarly, Ubuntu also will open a separate application. In Windows platform, it will open like for this for you. See, I have installed, correct? See, this is Windows, this is Linux. That's it now. Can you feel it? What is this? Windows. And what is this now? Linux. See, here one more thing you are supposed to do. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, installation of Linux. Okay, you can choose any of your tool. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, but one more thing which you are supposed to do is Windows. Huh? Anyone is enough. Okay. Do you, if you want colorful, go for mobile extra. If you need black and white, go for this one. Okay, I'll write for that also. Black and white kind of stuff. And colorful. Sure. It's your choice how you need it. Okay. If you want a colorful terminal like it and all, mobile extra is good. Okay. I'll show that both is to you. See, you have installed, you go and .msi, go for installation. Do you need to learn anything in the installation? Do I need to know, make any note? Nothing, right? Normal installation. Give next. That's it. Okay. So anyway, it will install. In the meanwhile, while it installing, I need to tell you one more thing. So one more prerequisite for Linux. So what happened? Windows key. Then you press the Windows key and search Windows feature on or off. Then subsystem for Linux, enable it. Okay, you all people can do together. Windows button, press the Windows key, correct? And what is the next step? Windows feature. If it is not coming like this, on or off, turn on or off, on or off you give. So you'll get it completely clear. Windows. Here, can you see here? Turn Windows feature on or off. Yeah, just right here. Turn Windows feature. Turn Windows feature on or off. Correct. Open that. Because what happened? There is one setting you need to make it here. Then only in Windows Linux will work, or else it will not work for you. Okay. If you want in Windows Linux need to work, right? So you need to go here and click, go to down here, Windows subsystem for Linux. It is actually like this for you in your laptop. You can check. Go to third last and check Windows feature disabled, right? It is disabled. Make it enabled like this. Correct? Online people, can you feel it? Can you check this? Windows subsystem for Linux. It is disabled for you. You need to make what? Enable and tell OK. That's it. Over. When Windows subsystem for Linux, enable it. Clear? Any doubt? This you need to do then only in Windows. What happened? Ubuntu will work for you, or else it will not work. See, this is one thing you need to do. This is the second thing you need to do. And third thing, restart your system after both the steps. Else, again, if you try, it will not work for you. You need to do these three. First, you do the turn on or off, you do it. Second, you do the installation. Third, restart your system. Okay, if you do, then only, okay, you can open the terminal tool, correct? Clear? So if you want, you can make a note. So once again, entire steps I am explaining you. Windows key, turn Windows feature on or off, and I need to go where? Bottom, and which one I need to select? Windows subsystem for Linux. It is disabled, make it O. Okay. Windows I'll write it. Windows subsystem for Linux. Enable it. First, okay. Second, go to store. Here Ubuntu will be there and go for get. Okay. Do you like a plain? It will look like this for you. See here, black and white kind of thing. Okay, you will not find a colorful here. If you need a colorful terminal, go for what? Mobile extra. Okay. See, one. See, now I'll open this one, mobile extra. And one more thing here, when you log in for the first time, it will ask tell one ID name, password name, okay. Give any name. Okay, always give like a one and one anything, whichever you are able to remember. It will ask ID password. You need to give any ID password. Light or dark. Example, these are. See it look color to you. Start local method. This is one thing. Okay, and where is that Ubuntu? Which one do you like? This one or this one? First or second? Okay, you got the clear picture? This is what I said, no? Colorful. Mobile extreme looks like a colorful to you. It's clear? You can work in any machine. Any doubt? Till here? Clear? Okay, chalo, let's move on. So, first step, my concern was to explain your installation and all. So, we have done. Okay. Second thing, okay, regarding what? Installation. Correct. Next, tool setting or make file. Okay. See, leave about run. You cannot run first. You need to do all the basic stuff. Then only in the Linux you can able to do it. Okay. So tool installation done. Sorry. One is installation, one is tool setting or Makefile we call it. So if you remember, I said you one thing, right? Shell scripting a day before yesterday. Shell scripting. You need to create one script file. Makefile means shell script you need to create. Okay. Here, create a script, shell script with all the tool names. Okay. So I'll just give you a small information. What is a shell script? In the shell script, I think people may be aware like a, they call a corn shell, bone shell, T shell, C shell. Okay, just for a basic information, if you want, you can make a note or okay. But in a company, you if it is a corn shell, we will use an extension called .ksh or kshrc. Dot bsh or bshrc. Dot tsh or dot thrc. Dot chs or dot chrc. What is it? हाँ, see root configuration. RC stands for what? Okay. K means K shell. K means corn. SH means shell. RC means root configuration. Similarly, I think you can read for all the correct. What is the BSH stands for? BHRC? Bash shell root configuration file. Okay. T shell root configuration file. C shell root configuration file. I think you okay. How to read? Okay. I'll just so write for one. Okay, it's con shell root configuration. Okay. Similarly, you can read for other. Correct. Is it clear? Can you able to read for other? Correct. Now, one question. On. See here. Actually, what happened? They are pre, uh, almost like go for 5 years back or 10 years back. Okay. There is a different person has created different shells. Okay. Linux. Okay. How means? Yeah. There is a Linux machine. Okay. Here one person has introduced a Khan is a person name. He said, if you use mine, I'll call that as Khan. He had added some features. Then one more person came, his name is Born. He added his features. Then C shell, T shell like this. Okay. Now in the current era, we don't need all this one. Okay. In this terminal, you can run with this file extension, this file extension, this, 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 any extension of your choice. All are merged now. Okay, there is no separation. Now say con, bon, t, c, nothing. Okay, any file extension you use it. It's all up to you. Okay, see, all. So before I was why I have explained you this one because what happened? I'll be going and I'll be writing and I'll be writing the file name like dot .sh. Then again you don't have to ask why you are written dot .ch, why kh. So that is the information I wanted to. Okay, it's all up to you. Any kind of an extension can use it. Correct. Clear? Example now, one question is, if it is Verilog, what is the extension you will use for Verilog? Dot. For system Verilog? Dot ht. For UVM? Ht. Okay. Now for Perl? Dot pl. Python? py. Shell? dot KHH,
dot BSH,
KHHRC, BHH, BHHRC,
yes,
dot THH, dot THHRC, CHS, or
dot C.
here. What is the intent one? For Verilog dot v, system Verilog dot hp, for UVM dot hp, for Perl dot pl, Python dot py, shell ksh, kshRK, bh, kshRK, bh, kshRK, chh, chh. File extension will be going to.
So using the extensions, we can easily know that it is file file, it is Python file.
Correct. See, that was the reason we will ask. See, which is this file? Verilog file. Which is this? Maybe system Verilog or UVM. This is what file? Perl file. The Python file. By looking at this, what is the understanding you need to have now from your
Shell file.
shell file? HH will be there. Anything you take, HH will be. Maybe con, bond, T or C. Okay? Any doubt? Got it? Okay. So they are the. Now I think you will not be asking if I write a file name dot ksh, you will not be questioning why you are writing to this one. Okay. Here. Can I rub this? See. Now here I'll make a one small table just for your understanding. Then I think if it is a Verilog, system Verilog, UVM, Perl, Python, shell. They are the normally you will be using a languages. Okay. Now here one by one we will answer. Okay. What are the extension?
Dot U, dot PS, dot PY, dot PSH or dot K KSHRC,
KSHRC,
dot BSH,
BSH,
dot BSHRC,
BSHRC,
dot CHS,
CSH,
dot CHSRC,
CHRC,
dot TSH, TSH.
THRC. Now here, see Nitya, why you are already explained why you are doing. One more table is there for you. Wait. Now first Verilog code you know how to run. How will you run a Verilog code? Example I have explained that steps above, right? Yesterday I have explained. Do you what you will do first? Project. Go for project. Compile. Then simulate. Then add wave. Run manual. These are the 4 steps. If you do, then only your Verilog file will run. Do you agree? Okay. So can I write these steps here? These are the above totally 6 steps. What you have done? Okay, sorry. 2 for creating a project. Then these are the things. If you do these 6 steps, then only your code will run. Do you agree?
Yes.
I'll write above 6 steps. How will you run?
Same above.
Correct.
UVM also above.
For UVM also, above 6 steps you need to follow. Now Perl, how will you run? You need to tell Perl file name. Whatever the file name will be there, .pl. That file if you tell, then Perl will run. I'll show you that also. Python if you want, Python file name dot py. Here source. What do you need to tell? Source. Okay, see, I cannot write all the extensions, so I'll write for example CHS.
Shall we have the source not?
Correct. That is what I wanted to give you as a table. Got it? This is okay. Language. What is this? Language. What is this? Extension. What is this?
Procedure.
Run step. Run step. Clear? So I'll just give you because now you will create a shell file. Now you need to know right how to run that one.
Why we are using source file?
That is a command. Okay. Source you need to use, or there is a one more symbol called tilde. File name. tilde file name dot sh.
File name dot sh.
We'll see. Some tool will support this also. Tilde. They will give you one minute. You know, here the language extension and the run script. You can go for about system or second maybe is the run dot do your project or make file anything. Now done. Clear?
Sir,
Can
can you please go up, sir?
Ah.
Little bit. Okay, sir. Fine.
See, I'll just give you the idea like what we have done. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry, I'm writing at the wrong place. Okay, I'll write. Okay, I'll copy all this too. But copy. That's the okay. Then see, if you remember, this is the introduction I have given. Then in today's how to install it. Installation I have explained. Okay, first Windows key turn Windows feature on or off. You do go subsystem for Linux, enable it, and installation of Linux. So you can install the Linux in two ways. Either if you want a black and white mode, then go for Ubuntu, that is Microsoft Store and Ubuntu and get it. Or if you want a colorful mode, go for mobile extreme. And I have shown you both the terminal. Correct? Have you seen? See, this is how your mobile extreme looks like. This do you like? Or you have one more option. This one. Clear? So it's all up to you, and you can choice to go for anyone. Okay, then you need to restart your system. Then only it will work, or else it will not work for you. Okay. See, all the tool installation anyway I'm explaining, but anyway, Sushil, with the help of Sushil, you can install all the tool. Okay. Anyway, next create a shell script with all the tool name. Shell script, con shell, bon shell, t shell, c shell. We have four types of shell. Okay. Why I'm explaining you this, because what happened going ahead, I'll be using any of these extensions. You will not you don't have to question again ki why you are using this kind of an extension. Okay, con shell, bon shell, t shell, c shell. See, in current generation, any Linux machine will support all four. Con, bon, t, c, everything it will support. So I can use a file extension by this or this. If suppose any of the your laptop not working, change the format. That's it. Okay. See, CHS and C, this is the standard everyone will use. And one more is there, sorry. SH is also there. Only shell. Okay. SH or SHRC. Okay. One more I'll write it. SH or SHRC. Okay. And majorly, if you are asking me what everyone will use it, there are so many. See, dot SH, dot SHRC. These two majorly you circle this person, these people. These people you circle it. So normally people will go for this. Clear? So almost all the system will support these two. Chalo, let's move on now. Okay. So tool setting, first Makefile you need to create. For Makefile, whatever the shell file how to create, I have explained. Let us now we'll start. Create a shell script with all the tool name. Okay. Now I'll show you how the shell script will look like. Give him. See what is the file name I have given? Tools.chhsrc. One minute. See this is how your make file is been written now. See this is a shell script I will call. Okay, shell script or make file. Okay. Anything what you have written I have not understood. No problem. See here, I'll explain you. See, and if you have an habit of watching crime petrol or crime story, CID, okay, correct. Then you might have heard, okay, Om Naga, alias Nagesh. Have you heard like this? Correct. You all have heard, right? Okay. Om Naga, alias Naga and all. What do you mean by this?
It's pet name or
Okay, why you need alias? Okay, or alias, see, if example, some big name will be there. Jyoti Prakash or Jyoti. Alias, what we call? JP. Normal. Your girl's P. We'll write a pet name, right? Why you write a pet name? Because she instead of a short name. Can you see here? There also have the same alias. What is alias? Alias is what? Other thing. See, there is an option like you need to give this one big command. Big command. How that is coming, I'll explain. Okay, you need to give this command. Big do you like or only small word do you like? Or that is what I'm doing. Okay. So what is the each and everything? And see, I don't want to call this big name. Say irritating for me. And this for small word. I don't want to call this big name. It's irritating for me. I will call small name. I don't want to call this big name and I want small name. Clear? Okay, alias. Alias means what we use here. Instead of the big name, call a small name. That is what you did, right? Jyoti Prakash alias. Yes. Okay. See in the coding language, how will we write? Alias JP equal to Jyoti. They have okay. So APP run the APP and the people. We have the different tools. For all the tools I have given what? Alias.
Meld is a tool or command?
Meld is a tool.
Meld is a e-commerce.
Recompare it. Okay, I'll show you. So what happened? Is it clear now? So one by one, is a why this command or why you need it or why we need it this one. Okay. See one by one I'll explain.
He logs in these are commands only meld and e-commerce.
No, see this is for GVim. I want GVim to run in Questasim. Sorry, Linux, correct? Okay, then it will run. This is for the your Questasim. 4 people. This is the path of the APB code where I have kept the APB code. Okay, I'll write. If you want, I'll write one. Comments you are like this. This is the symbol you use for commenting. Hash. Okay, GVim. This is for GVim. And what is this for? Extra.
These for tools or normal commands we can write. So tools also we can.
Huh?
To execute tools directly or to execute directly commands.
Correct. See, if you remember, day before yesterday, I have a here. See, I'll just go up. Like day before yesterday. Shell script you use for tool or terminal. Terminal means in Linux, what you will call? See, Windows, what you call? Windows command prompt. Correct. And Linux, what you call that? Same person has terminal. We don't have command prompt. That is what we call a terminal. See, command CMD you type here. The Windows. For Windows, what is this? Command prompt. Okay. And in the Linux, what we have? We don't have command prompt. What we have? Terminal. Clear? So, tool related automations. Okay. See, shell script where we use in the Linux machine. You normally used in where? So, if you need one more, you can add it here. What you can add? Perl can run in Windows also. It will work in Windows also, Linux also. It will work in Windows also, Linux also. It works in only what? Linux. CJ will work only in what? Windows. It will work only in what? Windows. Normally, what happen? Internet-based automation. Normally, what? Windows also. I think Linux also are there. I just need to double check this one. Okay. What happened? Normally, this one we will do in a Firefox, Chrome. Okay, anyway, that we can access from the Linux also, right? Linux also you can install that. Okay, so it will work there. So internet based means what? Edge, your Firefox, Chrome. Okay, if you are able to install the in Linux, then it will work for there also. Okay, so is it clear now? So shell is what? Tool based automation. That is what I have explained. Correct. See here. This is for Questasim. This is for meld. This is for APB code. The APB code path. This is for meld. Meld is a different tool. Meld tool. This is for your B compare. B compare is a tool. Is it clear why all these are? Okay. Anyway, I'll tell you like how I have written. Okay, one or two I'll explain. Then you'll get to know other people. Okay. See, let's see. From the beginning I'll go. Okay. See, leave it. I'll open this one and I will open Ubuntu parallelly. Okay, so that colorful everything will take up a while. And C slash M and T. What do you mean by M and T? M and T stands for a mount. Mount. Okay, what do you mean by mount? Means what happened? There is a C drive, there is a D drive, correct? Now, what is your intention? You want to access Windows path. Windows file you want to access from which terminal? This is what? Linux terminal. From the Linux, you want to go access which path? C drive or D drive. Okay, if you want to do that from a Linux, if you want to go into the window, how will you go? You need to tell start with what? MNT. Then only now you press a tab, you will get to know that it is C drive or D drive, it will come. See, 1 minute, I'll just show you. CD. Okay, you know what do you mean by CD, correct? See, if I put MNT, means what happen? Do you want to go to C drive or D drive? It is asking. Is it clear? What is MNT? MNT means mount disk. Okay. From the Linux, if you want to go to the disk, what is the command? mnt /mnt. If you type that, then it will give you, oh, okay, which disk you want to go. I will type C disk example. Clear? Now let I do one thing. Okay, so I'll just try 1 minute here. See here. Now if I type meld here, just meld is there here. I just type meld, MELD. See, meld tool is not available in Linux. So what I have installed meld in which it is auto coming. Okay, see, the meld tool. Okay, let me check. We compare it there. Mobile external is good because major tools are automatically ready. You will get it here. Okay, in Ubuntu, what happened? Everything you need to install. See, meld I have not installed, but still it's working now. Mobile external, what happened? Basic tools, whatever you need, no, everything they only installed for you. You just tell the name of the tool, automatically it will work for you. But in Ubuntu, it will not like that. You need to tell which tool you want, and you install, go and install it. Then only it will work. So, okay, now see here. One tool I have said like a B compare. Okay, this tool, okay, in Windows, you can see that I have installed it. Okay, see what? See nothing. Okay, I'll just tell you. So, go to Windows here and download Beyond Compare. There is one tool called Beyond Compare. The tool I need to compare two files. If you want to compare two files, this is the tool. Okay, I have installed this tool, Beyond Compare. Beyond Compare is a tool. If you want to compare two files, okay, and you want to check the difference, what is the difference in that? Okay, then you need to install this Beyond Compare. See here how it will look like. I'll show you if you want that also. See, can you see here? See how your Beyond Compare will look like. Left side file is like this, right side file is like this. Can you see here? There is two files. Okay. Whatever the changes between both the file, it can able to easily diff means difference. It will give you the diff of both. Okay. Imagine now this tool actually not available in what? Linux or Ubuntu. It is not available. It is available in which platform? Windows platform. It is available. It is not available in Windows platform, but you need it now Linux. Linux, it is not there. Now what you'll do? See, I'll tell you. See, you people are engineer. See, I'll give you the problem statement. Better you go think from a solution point of view. How will you resolve this problem? See, actually, it is nowhere else written. Okay. Just, I only thought like why I cannot do it. See, there is a Windows, correct? So I'll tell you the problem. Windows, okay, and there is a Linux. Imagine that there is one tool called B compare. Example, B compare is a tool. You will get in the internet, will download, you can able to install. Will work definitely in Windows. But now what about the Linux? In the Linux machine, okay, how will you run it? Question. Now in the Linux we don't have B compare. What we don't have? B comparing not there. But still your concern is that I want to use. That is with Vim. But what I need? Line. No, Vim you can what your concern you are telling? The Vim you can do the different. See, Vim if is a different. What tool I need here? Be compare. When is it? I don't want. I don't want. What I need? Be compare only in what? Linux. So why don't you? In the Linux, Do you know how to go to the C drive or D drive?
Just by default.
Huh? B compare will be .exe file will be there somewhere else in a B. When you install .exe file will be there in a program file somewhere. Why don't you give that path here? Then what happens? From the Linux, what you are calling?
We can call the pickup.
Correct. Simple. See, I'll just show you once again here. Now, actually, if you go to this PC, C drive, program file 86, there is a beyond compare. Here it is where it is got installed. Correct? Can you see here? C drive, program file 86, beyond compare this one. So what I'll do from the Linux, I will try to access this path. Okay. From the Linux, I'm trying to access what path? This one path. Okay, see. If I want to go to C drive, what I need to type here? MNT, then C. In that, what I need to go for? Program. Why it is not working? See, keep in mind, there is one bad habit what we people have it. See, most of the people I always used to tell, for any folder name when you give, never give a space. Okay. See, if you are giving a space, okay, but what if you people will be writing APB here one protocol, people will write APB white space COD. This is a major bad habit. So never write anything like a with white space. Folder name do not have to contain the white space. APB code is right. APB code will write like this. This is a bad habit. Folder name cannot have what? White space. If you have white space in Linux, you'll get irritated.
You can't.
No, see, I can do it. Okay, now here can you see here program file 86. Do they have white space in it? Now, if you just press a tab, you're not able to do it. See, whenever there is a white space, what happens after program file? It is this kind of slash. Then only it will take white space.
Thanks.
See, I'll just show you one. Like this, you put one slash. Then now it will work. Else it will not even work. See, I want to go to 86. So again, I need to. There is one more space, correct? Now like this, you need to slash. If you give, then only it will consider white space. Else it will never consider white space. Okay, what people will type? Can either I'll type like this: program file white space files. Try. It will not even open. Is it clear? So for white space, you don't have to do like this. What you need to do? Slash white space. Then only it will work for you. Is it clear? Slash white space. It will work. Press tab. It will automatically will take. Next, beyond compare. Where is that? Beyond. Just type beyond. It will automatically tab. Tab if you press, automatically it will write. You don't have to write anything. What is that? B compare dot exe. This right. Now beyond comparing opens. Can you see here? A tool got opened. Okay, I'll close this one. Once again, I'll see. Is it tool is getting open? You see, correct? Beyond compare tool is open, correct?
Commands Linux. Okay.
It will again open a separate tool will open always one separate application only, right? So it is opening a application again. But now you are able to do from where? Linux. See? So now you have this as a choice, or else I don't want to see. Whenever now onwards, if you need B compare, you need to type this very big path.
I can use alias.
Alias we compare equal to do this one. Okay.
Directly we can use alias.
See, 1 minute. You need to give double quote here. Okay. You can use here also. I'll tell you. Now we compare. See, working.
Yes.
Why? I have aliased it. Is it clear? If you alias, we compare and that whatever big name. Now onward, next time onward, I don't have to give this many big path. If I just type simply what we compare, it will work. Now, one thing, you have set this one in this terminal. Now, example, I'll open one more mobile external. Now, if I give there B compare, will it work? See, because what happened, you have set the alias here, you have done in this terminal. Now you are opening one more mobile external. It will not work. So now, see here, I'll open one more mobile external. Okay, here is the terminal. Start local. Here I'll type B compare. See, will it? See, sometimes it normally it don't have to. Okay, what happened? So better what to do? Why don't you store the aliases in one file? Okay, next time onward you source that file. That's it over. See, this here one command. Correct now. Why don't you copy this one in one file? See, this is what I am asking you. Why don't you keep this copy in one file? Next time onwards, see that is it clear how I have written this one? You copy in one file. Okay, next time onwards, what? Okay, that is what file? Shell script. Just tell source. Next time onward, B compare if you type, it will work for you.
Source dot file name.
Not
extension.
Correct. See, I'll show you once. Okay. Source. See, here I have not created anything like this. Correct. I have created in Ubuntu. Mobile XM I have not created. So that is why it is not showing here. Anything file is there by the name tools? No, right? So I'll create one file called tool.chs. Okay. See, GVM first of all, GVM also not working. See, can you see here if I type GVM, is it working? No, not working. So what? See, it will come like this. This is not a GVM. This is a Vim. Okay. So anyway, what I'll do, I will somehow I'll open this one. See, GVM can be installed using the following command. I don't want to. Okay. So what I will do, see, I'll show you. In Windows, I have already installed GVM, right? That GVM only I'll use it. I'll give the Windows path. MNT, give that path. Clear? So now, so the Vim is a different, GVM is a different. See, look why it is a difference. Look, the Vim, okay, and the GVM. 1 minute. You see both are different. Can you see this and this? Both are different. Here, see color and above you are getting all the panels, correct? Here there is no panel, nothing. Can you feel it? That is a Vim. Clear?
Yes.
What is use of Vim and Vim?
Normally, all the system by default they have Vim. GVim you need to install if you want. Clear? Okay. Chalo, what I'll do? Anyway, I don't have a GVim. Okay, what I'll do? In Windows, I have installed. See where it is here in the Windows program file. Vim 90 GVim. Okay. So in mobile extreme, I'll access this path. And I can open it correctly. See, I'll just copy this entire stuff. Just see here. I have created a one file. Okay. I'll paste it here. See, paste I have done. Okay. Control. I have done. I have saved it. Now see once again I'll just show you. Is it GVM working? Not working. Command not found. Correct. See here. That is see what is the GVM you are getting?
Command now.
Correct. I'll do one thing. I'll source it. Source. See, in a Vim tools.ch I have stored some content. I'll now source it. Source means what? Running. Now you give just GVM. Is it you are getting command not found? You will never get that GVM will open for you.
Always you have to every time.
Once if you open new terminal, you need to source.
Always
100%. 100% you need to source. In a company, that is what you will be doing every day. Once you go,
automation.
huh?
Is there any automation command? I don't want to source all that.
100% that is also there. Dot, then don't store as tools. Dot tools you do it or dot aliases. Okay. Then what happens? Terminal will open automatically. It will source it. I'll show you one. I will do it really on reality. Okay. So do you think in company I'll go and do every terminal source irritating and feel? So that also I have automated. Okay. Whenever new terminal will open, automatically it will source it. Okay. See. Why okay, just 1 minute. Let me check why this command is not working. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll try with a different command. VLib, I'll give it this one. See, VLib means what? Questasim related. Vlog. See, Questasim. Vsim. Now you can see that Questasim will open. Can you see it? In the Linux, did we install Questasim? No.
Alias source.
How you are getting? Actually, you went to the Windows path. From the Windows path, you have Alias editor. Now you will call that short name, so automatically that will open. See here, okay, one thing I'll do. I'll close this one. Entire Questasim, I'll close it. See here. Clear? I have closed it, everything. Now I'll just type vsim. Just one word. See, Questasim is closed, right? Let us check. You don't have to take this much time. I don't know why it is this. See, reading Questasim TCL vsim pref dot TCL file. Why it is taking this much time? Normally, if I give from here, see from the Ubuntu, if I give it will open quickly for you. See, vsim I'll give. See, it will immediately will open here. Backside was see opened. See, I think in a mobile extreme it is somewhat slow, but here you will get it very quickly. It will start. Can you see here? Questasim opened. See here. See, just if you done vsim, Questasim will open. Okay. Anyway, these are the commands. Okay, just copy paste and slowly one by one I'll explain. Okay, see, at least you got it right. Now, how I have written? Okay, how I have written? Can anyone tell me?
First we have to alias
Alias.
short name equal to the command we have string form.
mnt. First go to the directory and path. That path you alias it to one small word, any name of your choice, and alias. Okay, let's see here. I'll do one thing. Okay, here now. See, Nidhi, do we have any rule? What is the name we need to give or anything? Okay, anyway, mobile somewhat slow. I'll go for Ubuntu only. Gvim tools.css. See, I'll do one thing. Example, I don't want to call Gvim. I'll call Bomb Naga. Okay, if I call Bomb Naga, what will open?
Gvim.
Can I now can type Bomb Naga example? Why it is not found? You have not sourced it. Now you type Bomb Naga. Gvim will open. Any name of your choice you can give alias. Not like this name only, that name only. Yeah, you give your name. Okay. Normally, all the company or whenever if you are working in company, all the people will use GVim alias like what? G. They just type one letter. GVim will automatically open. No one want to type GVim 4 letters, three. Okay, even if 1 nanosecond will waste for VIM. Okay, 3 nanosecond got wasted. In company will see why type entire just 1 nanosecond. Got it? Okay. So they how you can create a make file or shell script. Okay, and giving 1 minute. Just see in a company you just try if you're in company laptop tools like this, it will work. Okay. Now it is not working for me. I said no source or you can use here what tilde symbol.
Tilde symbol or tilde?
Tilde. Normally I think tilde.
Tilde.
This symbol you can use it. Clear? Any doubt till here? Okay. One more thing. Just I'll try it. Okay. I don't know whether it will work for here or just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. Actually, let me check one thing. Okay. Auto source. You know, actually, in a company, I use dot aliases.
Yeah, aliases.
See here, what is the file name he is recommending?
Not CSS.
1 minute. Okay, see here, let me just try one last thing. Okay, O dot last one more time. I'll try it, but it will work, man. Okay, like the you need to give one particular file name only as per the terminal. Then what happens? You don't have to source automatically. It will source it. One last. Okay, not working. See here, you can read it here. One here to automatically source a .css file every time you open a terminal. That is what your requirement, Shiva. You can add the necessary command to the configuration file that your terminal shall read upon startup for CHS. Shall okay. To do this, it will automatically. Okay, it is telling you create a file with the extension I what .ch. Then automatically it will open. See, in my company when I am working, whatever automatically it want to source, I need to write in .alias.
Aliases or alias?
Aliases.
Aliases.
हाँ
Alias we are using for short name.
हाँ alias file name you can give any name, right? So they have a, if you write everything in a .alias, it will automatically source it in my company, like
Aliases.
aliases. Now what they are telling ChatGPT for you, you need to do .css, but it was not working. But again, you need to check once again in Ubuntu what you will give. Okay, I want in Ubuntu. I want. See, I think in Ubuntu again what they are telling. Which file? One minute, once again. What is the file name they are saying? I said no, con shell, bon shell, C shell, bash. So let me the last try. I'll give it dot bash rc. Okay, I know. Okay, working. See here. Now I'll show you what I did. Nothing. See here. mv.chrc bash rc. See, actually, I had my file name. I got. See, first, if you remember, I had my file name. I got tools.chr, and I renamed. I got dot alias. What is mv stands for? Not move. It's a rename. mv is a command you use in a Linux to rename.
It is not move command.
I thought you people for renaming I'm using mv. Okay. Okay, I'll just check. We will check. Okay. Is it clear? mv is for what?
Rename.
Renaming. Rename what to what?
Old file name to new file name.
What is the old file name? Tools dot. Then I renamed aliases. Aliases.
Then alias.
Correct. Then if you remember, I have tried the renaming. I got alias.
Yes.
Still not worked. I renamed. I got chs. Not worked. Ch instead of alias to what? Chs. Still it not worked. Then I renamed. I got.
VLSI.
See, now I renamed I bash RC, correct? Now, so I have renamed it. Now I'll open one Ubuntu, new Ubuntu. Can you see here, new Ubuntu I'm opening? Here I'll type bomb naga. Is it working now? Did I source it or auto source? Auto source. Clear? Okay. So auto source alpha will happen. See, sourcing and all again and again irritating, correct? Now, next time onward, you keep the file in whatever you want to write, where you will write dot bash archi. Here actually it's a bash archi. Now you need to see from your company to company, it will vary. Okay. For me, it's a alias I need to write.
Alias.
Alias. Okay. So try with .chh, bash archi, cons, okay, anything you try, one will work for you, definitely. Clear? Any doubt till here? Okay.
So to change the file name, we have to use MV.
MV.
MV, old file name, and then new file name we have to write.
So you if you want, you can note down this one for you. This one. Command, they will rename it. Rename it. So always what you do, Linux, see in your notebook now, for a Linux, keep separate 2 pages. Whatever the command I'll be telling, you write there. Okay, gvim, you need to keep 2 pages separately. Whatever the gvim command when I tell, you write there. Okay. Clear? Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Then make a note. Okay. If okay. See at least one command, make a note, so you will get it. How to write it? At least one command. How the shell script will look like. Write at least one command, any command. Okay. So how the shell script will look like, you can understand. No need of all command. I'll give you all this.
Sir,
But
while renaming, can we change the extension of the file also?
anything.
Extension of file.
See, actually, what was the extension PH? Dot PH. What I changed it to? Back at
Canvas.
the extension only.
Now,
See, there is no file name actually.
for example, I want to change Python file extension for Python.
MV a.pl will be there. You want a.py, you can do it. MV.
Since Parley has only Parley, not performance Python, but I'm only changing the extension.
Correct. You can change that. Import the example, then you want call file a.pl. What do you want to change? What do you do?
Only we are naming the file.
Renaming. That's it. Content will not change, right? Renaming means what? Name of the file will change, correct? Yeah, there's one I wanted to check here. One. Can we keep a file name without, see what is there? File name is there or only extension is there? Correct. In Windows, what happens specifically? This one. What? I thought you will ask this question. Can Nitesh actually? What? Can you show me what you have done? Okay, see, I'll show that part. Bash RC. Is it a extension I have given or file name I have given?
File. Here we are giving extension, not with extension.
Correct. I have given any file name here? Correct. So normally what happen here, we have a habit of writing only extension name, no file names. See what he said you to rename dot bash archi. Did he said a dot bash archi you to write, or what he said?
Rename to this file is extension to another file.
Bash archi. There is no file name at all. What is your file name? A dot SV file, right? A is what? File name. What is SV?
SV is an extension.
Correct. Now here what is I have done? So only extension, not a file name. Keep in mind. We don't have a file name. See, name is not there. What is the, we have only extension, we have it.
Extension, what, how many files in that extension all will be converted, or
See,
for example, there are 3 files on the
here. See, I wanted to show you like this to you. Then I think you will see, I'll create one folder for you. Okay. So what was his question? His question is that how many extension I can create? Okay. Now even in the Windows also I'll do the same thing. See what is the, I'll remove the file name. What is this? Okay, I'll create one more file. I'll remove this. Is it possible? Only how many extension you can have in per folder? One only. You cannot have the same extension name. Okay. Can you have 2 file name of in the same folder? Similar. Clear? Even here also we have an habit of, you can do this. In Windows also you can write only extension, no need of file name. Okay. So specifically whatever auto aliases are there, no, they will never have a file name. Keep in mind. See, why don't you observe here? Okay. See, I'll scroll it from the beginning for you. Actually, this is a file name, correct? And what is this? Extension. And then I change it to only what? Then I have changed it to only what? Here I have did what? Here I did what? Here I did what? Auto aliases are what? Normally.
We don't have any file name.
Correct. Make a note if you want. Okay, don't give any file name then. Auto alias if you want. Okay. Then even in
Needs a file name.
File name will never be there for auto aliases. Clear? Any doubt till here? No? Okay. Chalo, I'll go now. See, I'll just quickly will take 2 minutes and I'll revive whatever I did. Okay. See, today what I did, I have given you the recap what we have done last class. Then if you remember, Linux must in the Linux, how to install it? Okay, installation. So what you need to do first? Windows feature turn or on or off. There is subsystem for Linux. Enable that features. Okay. Next, second, because now it's a Windows machine. What is the machine you have? Windows machine. But you need what? Linux. So either you have an option completely you have a Linux, or else what I did in Windows, I'm using Linux as what? One application. Correct. So you can do this one via 2 ways. Via one way, Ubuntu, another is what? Mobile Extra. Okay. Ubuntu means go to Windows 10, Microsoft Store, Ubuntu, get. You do that. Or if you want mobile extreme, what you need to do? Google mobile extreme for Windows, download, normal installation. Clear? Third, what you need to do after doing all the restart, then or else it will not work for you. Keep this in mind. 100 times you need to restart. Without restart, if you try, it will not work for you. Next, whatever the tools related information are there, you need to write in one file called as what? .sh file. Okay. .sh file you need to write. Okay. You can write a .sh, .bash sh, cache bash file, con file, t different we have it. KSH, TSH, BSH. Okay. Bash RC, anything you can have. Correct. Bourne shell, one more is there. Bash it. Bash shell. Okay. Bash or bash RC. Correct.
Option is different. Bash it.
See, con, bourne, bash. See, what is the extension you have in now?
Dot
Bash.
bash it.
Bash shell. Okay, so you have a different types of file extension. Okay, so anyone you can use it. Next, if you remember, I have explained if it is a V language, you will use extension like .v, .hv, .hv, .pl, .py, or for shell script.
Okay.
Okay, here I'll add one more. What?
Dot bash.
Dot bash or?
Dot bash is the class.
Okay. Clear? And you know how to run it. Okay, how to run it? I have given the above steps already day before yesterday. Sorry, yesterday. So above 6 steps, if you do it, it will run. For Perl, this is the way. For Python, this is the way. For source, do you got the intent of a source?
Yes.
Source. And source is also there. Auto source is also there. Correct. Automatically, you can source it for any terminal. Clear? How?
Using old name or extension.
See, you need to first Google. Okay, you are using which kind of terminal? I was using which terminal? Ubuntu terminal. In Ubuntu terminal, how to auto source? Okay, how to auto source? You need to. Okay, if it is a mobile extreme, in mobile extreme, how to auto source? Okay,
Terminal to terminal.
terminal to terminal, company will see. Here now there is two terminal. One is Ubuntu terminal. Can you see here? One is mobile extreme. In company, you will not have this one. You will have what? What is that third one? Here. Read it.
Yes.
ETH.
ETH.
Correct. Normally, all the company will use ETH as a tool. See, Ubuntu terminal. In Ubuntu, you know Ubuntu, right? Here, Ubuntu I have shown you. See what how the Ubuntu will look like. Mobile extreme, how it looks like I have shown. In company, we don't have Ubuntu also. We don't have mobile extreme. What we have? ETH. ETH full form is Exceed Turbo. Exceed Turbo.
ETH is equal to like by the company.
They have inbuilt by default. They have it. See why you will not go for Ubuntu or mobile? They're not much secured. ETH is paid version. Okay. See what you get free, what you get paid will be different, right? Okay. So in free, you know that you'll get a limited information. That's it. And non-secured manner. And ETH is what? Secure. Paid. See one. I'll show you that ETH also. See the one Exceed Turbo. Can you see here? Open text, Exceed Turbo X, remote desktop software. Okay. They are paid versions. One. So, do you think company will use Ubuntu? Definitely no. Wait, I'll show you the pricing also. What? Order. Exceed Turbo. Anywhere are you finding ETH?
Is it a virtual access or only we're using going for that?
Huh?
Is
It's
it
a
a virtual
virtual remote desktop.
Okay.
So here you can see here, right? If you find like just check how much pricing you'll get to know. Okay. It's not a free, okay, it's a paid, correct. You can see here. Normally, mobile XML are what freely available for you. Okay, here I'll just check our ETH yearly price for single license. You know, Exceed Turbo. Okay, I need to check. Okay, we need to go to their website and we need to explore somewhere else. then you'll get a pricing detail. Okay. So anyway, just for your information, what is the terminal we use in a company? So make a note also. Okay. ETH. Every company. Go for Qualcomm, they use it ETH. Go for SanDisk, they will use ETH. AMD, they use ETH. In Intel also, if I'm not wrong, ETH only I have used it. Okay. So whenever you go to the any company, you need to tell, okay, can you give me the path for ETH? Okay, they will give you one link. If you click on that link, you can able to access ETH. Exceed turbo. Because what happened? ETH will not be installed in your laptop. Now normally like an application. Okay, they will give you one web link. If you click on that web link, from that web link, that application will run. See, now here mobile extreme, is it a web link or installed? Installed, correct. But ETH is a web link. Via web link it will work. There is one link will be there. If you click on that link, then only it will work. Example, WhatsApp is a web link or
WhatsApp web is a web.
correct. See, we have two types. Can you do you have noticed in a WhatsApp how many types of WhatsApp we have? Two types. What is that?
WhatsApp app which we are installing on mobile or anything.
No. Even desktop version is also there. You know that in a laptop, can we install WhatsApp app?
Yeah.
Correct. Well, I think yeah. We have both. Correct. 1 minute. I'll just show you.
Web is only online we have. So
Yeah.
WhatsApp app we can install in laptop.
Correct. What is this? Web link. Correct. That is what we call web link. If you want WhatsApp app, WhatsApp web, you just type here. Then it will go to your web here. Then you need to install. And that is what software installed version. And that is what web based. Okay. So Ubuntu is what?
Ubuntu is software.
Software installed version. Okay. Desktop app. Okay. And what about mobile extreme?
My extra version of
That is a laptop application, like a desktop app.
yes.
Okay, so here, if you want, I'll write one more note for you. What is this? Desktop app or
Desktop
app. What is this?
web link.
Web. Okay, not an application. You will never get as an application. It's a web. So I think you understand, right? How it will differ. What is a web link? Is it clear? WhatsApp, if you take web link is also there, application is also there. Correct. Telegram, web is also there, application is also there. Instagram, I think same
Web link and
application both are there. Correct. Now LinkedIn, if you take
application
no in laptop in mobile laptop.
laptop application.
LinkedIn only web based app you have in your mobile, not in a desktop. You don't have a desktop version app. Mobile app you have it. I'm asking desktop app. So is it clear? So anyone have any doubt? Okay. So okay, I'll do one thing. Now it's hard to continue. Hardly 5 minutes left. Okay. Tomorrow I'll just complete. I'll try to complete this. Okay. And because what happened before I start a Verilog, what happened? Who I need to cover? Or what happened? You will face a difficulty. If you do not know Questasim, you will feel a difficulty. Correct. So just quickly, I wanted to cover that one, and then give him not. I'll not cover all the things. How to open the file, how to write, how to share. That is 2-3 commands I need to explain. That's it. I'll explain. Rest all you will get it by hands on. Okay. If I do this much, then what happens? I can easily now start Verilog. Because when I do the Verilog, people don't have to struggle and how he falls up.
Can you explain again how we are using Geo? And after the thing I can explain. Can you
Tools
not this actually United
and all other
and
things.
company
Yeah, slowly, whenever the need to or explain all the tools. Or
we tell APP code now. Simple APP code. How to run in these tools. How we'll get away from how we'll do that.
yeah.
So in explain this only we can explain very long.
Yeah. See,
how we can do back tracing, how we can do debugging. We can take ABB code. I just by executing that explain these are the methods for back tracing. How we are by this we can show the waveform.
I'll go through all the videos first so that you will see comfortable.
And this we can only tell interpreter, okay, I did debug like this.
Definitely. I'll do one. From the scratch one. See, first what happened, I'll do one by one step. So you will get by everything you get. So, okay, we'll do one. We'll stop for the day. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue.
Sir, mobile XTM and e-text will be almost same only.
No, different. See, that is what I said. Ubuntu is a desktop app. Mobile is also a desktop app. That is different. ETX is a paid version. They are free version. Okay.
But the features will be same, right?
Features all are same. Okay. See, synopsis, the different synopsis, cadence, mental graphics, all almost are similar. Extra features.
Putty, sir, Putty you told, no? Previously you told mobile XTM and Putty will be same.
Putty also you have it, correct. Putty you also there. Can you Putty also? No, desktop app.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And the people who are like newly joined, okay, or who are attending a demo, make sure like they will be the like back demo. Okay, tomorrow onwards will be going. Okay, enrolled people can access. Okay, and for all the enrolled people, whatever you may had a link, right? That is a demo link. Okay, for enrolled link I'll be giving. So what you need to do in that Zoom link, you need to go and you need to enroll, register. Then that will come for permission to me. Okay, nothing. He will ask your name and that will come to permission. Once what are the email ID you will give it to me, that I will upload. Then you will be able to start. Okay, okay. We'll stop it for the day. Tomorrow we'll continue.
Sir,
Good.
the systems will be available today.
System here 24. I need to check why it got down. Yeah, I need to check. Okay. Right after this, I will check that one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.